We're at Brisbane Jamboree 2024. This event is packed full of awesome cars, awesome people, very, very fast cars. There's crazy rotors. I'm down here with a camera and I'm going to capture as much action as I can on the Saturday. Let's check it out. Benny, give me a wave. So I've entered the Crown Wagon in the Shannon's Show and Shine, parked up front and centre, thanks to Marek. Heaps people seeing the car, such a good response, I'm loving it. So I've parked up there for the day, gonna do some walking around, go and say hi to some crew and check out some more cars. Is this Australia's fastest Corolla? Hey team! Hey!
And a 653, 217 miles per hour. How about that? Laney.
Is some very impressive cars here this weekend. That's epic. A little bit of competition for Kevo. Well, Kevo is actually no competition. This thing's super fast, and hats off to Chuck. I like this thing, it's really cool. Usually he's got a mower hanging out the back, but not this year. Sick. Subwoofers are still a thing. I love a good stereo, but I don't quite get the sound off the competition. Bumped into Wazza in Jetpack. This is his FG Falcon. Showed this one last time we're down at Jamboree actually. I think it was Jamboree. Pretty impressive car. A lot of crew have worked on it. Matty Rogan's done a bit of work on it, and like Lockbig Arcade Garage. Yeah, awesome car. Hey, Wazza! Hey! Tell me about it.
We're going pretty good, Woody. We had a personal best on Thursday night. We went 7.3 at 190.
Sweet.
We found we put a little bit more boost into it, and we're struggling to get it off the line at the moment. So we'll sort it out, and we're trying to beat the 7.3.
Sweet as. That's moving, man. 190. Good stuff.
Getting there.
Right on. Good luck this weekend, man.
Thanks very much.
Thanks for taking it out. Cheers, dude.
Cheers.
The Spot On crew always brings some nice cars. Definitely a sweet lineup going on in here. Everyone's in turnaround mode, cooling things down, getting ready to run back out on the track. This thing's so cool. Love it. This is one of those one of those Toyota Fox bodies. Sick. This thing's changed a lot since I last saw it. Wow. That bloody robot up the front. That's looking really good, Nick. I like it.
Thanks, man.
I like it. How you going this weekend?
Yep, we get there.
Yep.
We spun that one, so that's good. It means we've got too many. we can make less. We can't make more, but we can make less. It's fine. So no, it's good. It's going good. Hopefully, sun comes down a little bit, gets a bit more. The track comes back around to us, and that's the plan.
Good luck this weekend, man.
Send it. Thank you.
Cheers, man.
Thank you.
There's some awesome cars here, heaps of GTRs, but I'm going to say this one actually is my favourite. The colour's popping, gold wheels, bead locks all around. The engine bay is absolutely immaculate. Everything's polished, all the right gear. Looks like a titanium dump. It's just, yeah, really, really well done. And hats off to the Spot On crew and the owner. This is awesome. Karen. That's not a JZ. That's not an Ecotech either. Trying to rehydrate. So I'm taking a seat in my Schwagen, catching some shade. It's been a massive day. Huge day. I've had a lot of fun. Met a lot of crew. Thanks everyone that said hi. I've been loving it. It's been really nice meeting everyone. Little bit of stuff mixed in with some things. I love this car. So good. Smile and wave, boys. Smile and wave. Just letting out all his secrets here. Grandpa, come at ya. Yeah. Hey, I found my mate Buzz. Zing zing. That's my day done at Jamboree 2024. A little bit of my highlights of the Saturday. It's only qualifying. There's heaps of creators out here today filming this event, so if you want to see more content, hit the search bar. Racing starts tomorrow. There's also a live stream that's been broadcast on Jamboree's YouTube channel throughout the weekend. So if you want to see racing action, check that out. Thanks for watching. My name's Woody. This is my Barra-powered cram wagon that didn't win top wagon in the show and shine. Oh well, the Mazda won it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Enjoy the moment. Cheers. One of the best things about getting out to these events is not only seeing some kick-ass cars, but also making some new friends along the way. Thanks to everyone that came up and gave me a high five. I really do love meeting everyone at the track. Sydney, I'm coming your way next. I'm down at Well Time Attack on the Racework stand. Come and say hi. Thanks for watching. See you next time. What are the chances? Bailing out a Jambo and I run into this beauty. Dory Junkie. It's a later model one with different rear tail lights and different bumpers and stuff. That's cool. It's been on Marketplace for a while. I'm assuming it eventually sold, but it's either 1JZ or could be a diesel actually. Yeah, that front bumper looks way better than mine, to be honest.